How to add song in Instagram story in iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can actually add song in Instagram story on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add song in Instagram story on iPhone, all you have to do is just open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Then go about simply uploading a story and then choose the video that you want for your specific story. So I'll go ahead and then select a video that I want basically. So once I've selected the video that I want to add to my story, you can see the story over here. To add it, all I have to do is just tap on the sticker icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then over here you'll find the music button. All you need to do is tap on the music button, or in case you don't find it, you can also simply use the search box to type in music and then locate music. Now you can simply choose any of the songs that you want. So go ahead and then browse through all these given songs, and then you can choose the way that song is going to be displayed in a lyric format or without the lyrical format. Then just tap on done. Then after you've done that, you can see our song has been successfully added. That is it on how you can add song in Instagram story in iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.